Mayor Joe Schember calls that Tuesday night fireworks celebration, Lights Over Lake Erie, a success. Throngs of people watched the fireworks show put on by the city in Mercyhurst on the eve of Independence Day. The mayor says that in spite of lots of spectators on Dobbins Landing and other areas on the Bayfront, there were no major disturbances.
It was just a great family event, and even afterwards with a ton of traffic, and we were stuck in it, but people were polite. They were letting people in. It was just a great event, and I think people really enjoyed it.
Mayor says he hopes the show will return for many years to come.